Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and a great question came in the Facebook group, Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People. Cindy was asking, does your knee hurt when it rains? So I remember this question. I get it in the clinic frequently enough. I researched this question a couple years back and I shared another video talking about it. But basically, while there's not really empirical evidence to support or deny the fact that you should feel pain in a joint when it rains, there's enough anecdotal evidence to support the fact that yes, people do. Now, what I think you're usually going to hear is, since the cartilage and the ends of the bone have been removed, you shouldn't feel pain with weather variations because of arthritis. But I am going to put a caveat on that, because you still have all of the same connective tissue, soft tissue, you have all the same blood vessels and lymphatic system. You have a lot of the same structures. And the reality is, many of you are going to deal with chronic, persistent, whether it be full-blown inflammation to the point of pain, swelling, redness in the knee that never goes away, or at least low-grade subclinical inflammation where you're always right on that edge of a flare-up. And so because you're so close to that edge, when the weather changes, when something environmental happens, I do believe you're going to feel the changes in that joint. Now, there's absolutely going to be people who say, no, not at all. Since my knee replacement, I don't feel any weather changes. That's awesome. I'm super happy for you. But those of you who do, understand that there's probably good physiologic reasons for that. And I absolutely can tell you, in my clinic, patients that have had knee replacements multiple years past will tell me that they continue to experience changes in symptoms with changes in weather. So take that for what it is. I wish you the best. Keep posting your questions and I'll do my best to keep answering them.